Ever dreamt of building a thriving dropshipping business without the constant headache of managing inventory, suppliers, and shipping logistics? What if I told you there's a powerful tool that can not only automate much of that for you, but also offers incredible partnership opportunities to amplify your success? You've probably heard of AliExpress, the global marketplace where you can find practically anything. And if you're serious about dropshipping, you've almost certainly come across AliDropship, the revolutionary plugin that transforms your WordPress site into a fully functional dropshipping store, seamlessly integrated with AliExpress. But here's the thing. Many people see AliDropship as just a plugin, a one-time purchase. What they often miss are the deeper layers of partnership potential that can unlock entirely new revenue streams and elevate their business far beyond simply selling products. Today, we're diving deep into how to partner with AliDropship. This isn't just about using their product. It's about leveraging their ecosystem, their expertise, and their reach to build a truly robust and sustainable online venture. We're going to explore several avenues, from becoming an official AliDropship partner to utilizing their services for your clients, and even how to effectively market their solutions to a hungry audience. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to transforming your understanding of AliDropship from a simple tool to a strategic business ally. So let's start with the most direct form of partnership, becoming an official AliDropship partner. This isn't just a fancy title. It's a gateway to a range of benefits and opportunities. The official AliDropship partner program is designed for individuals and businesses who want to offer dropshipping store creation and management services to their own clients. Think of it this way. Instead of just setting up your own store, you become a go-to expert for others looking to enter the dropshipping world. This could be perfect for web developers, digital marketing agencies, or even experienced dropshippers who want to diversify their income. To become an official partner, you typically need to demonstrate a good understanding of the AliDropship platform and dropshipping in general. They provide resources and support to help you get up to speed. Once you're in, you gain access to a dedicated partner dashboard, special discounts on AliDropship products and services, which you can then pass on to your clients or use to increase your own margins, and even priority support. Imagine being able to offer a complete, ready-to-go dropshipping store package to your clients, including product import, theme customization, and even marketing advice, all built on the solid foundation of AliDropship. This not only adds a valuable service to your portfolio, but also positions you as an authority in the e-commerce space. Beyond official partnerships, another incredibly powerful way to partner with AliDropship is through their affiliate program. This is perhaps the most accessible entry point for many of you watching. The AliDropship affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting their products and services to your audience. This could be through your YouTube channel, your blog, your social media platforms, or even through email marketing. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create the product yourself, handle customer support, or manage inventory. Your role is simply to connect potential customers with AliDropship, and when they make a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. The commission rates for AliDropship affiliates are often quite generous, especially considering the price point of their core products. For example, the AliDropship plugin itself is a one-time purchase, meaning a single successful referral can net you a significant commission. But it's not just the plugin. You can also earn commissions on their add-ons, custom store creation services, hosting, and even their marketing services. This creates a recurring income stream for you, especially if you consistently drive traffic to their offerings. The key to success here lies in providing genuine value to your audience. Don't just spam links. Educate them, share your experiences, and demonstrate how AliDropship can solve their dropshipping challenges. Build trust, and the conversions will follow. Now let's talk about a more indirect, yet equally impactful form of partnership, leveraging AliDropship services for your own clients. Many of you might be web designers, digital marketers, or business consultants. Your clients come to you looking for solutions to grow their online presence and sales. Dropshipping, powered by AliDropship, can be that solution. Instead of building e-commerce stores from scratch using complex platforms, you can offer a streamlined, efficient, and cost-effective dropshipping store setup using AliDropship. Think about it. A client wants to sell niche products online but doesn't want to deal with inventory. You can propose an AliDropship store, customized to their brand, preloaded with products, and ready to go. You can even offer ongoing management and marketing services for these stores. This is a win-win. Your client gets a powerful e-commerce solution quickly and affordably, and you expand your service offerings, adding a high-value skill to your repertoire. AliDropship provides all the tools you need to do this, from the plugin itself to their custom store creation services if you prefer to outsource some of the initial setup. This approach allows you to scale your business by offering a specialized service that is in high demand. Furthermore, consider the educational aspect of partnership. If you're a content creator, an online educator, or a coach, you can partner with AliDropship by creating tutorials, courses, and workshops that teach people how to use their platform effectively. This not only positions you as an expert, but also naturally leads to affiliate sales and potentially even direct consulting opportunities. Imagine a comprehensive course on building a profitable niche dropshipping store with AliDropship. You provide immense value to your students, and as a natural byproduct, they will often purchase the AliDropship plugin and related services through your recommendations. Finally, a less formal but highly effective partnership strategy involves collaborating with AliDropship on content or promotional campaigns. While this might require a more established platform or audience, it's worth exploring if you have significant reach within the e-commerce or dropshipping niche. This could involve joint webinars, co-created blog posts, or even participating in their promotional events. Such collaborations not only expose your brand to AliDropship's audience, but also lend credibility and authority to your own content. The key to all these partnership avenues is understanding that AliDropship is more than just a piece of software. It's a comprehensive ecosystem designed to empower dropshippers. By aligning yourself with this ecosystem, whether as an official partner, an affiliate, a service provider, or an educator, you can tap into a powerful network and unlock significant growth opportunities for your own business. Don't just use AliDropship. Partner with them and watch your dropshipping journey transform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.